In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated number counter to your Wix website. This feature will create an engaging visual display that can help attract and retain visitors by showcasing key metrics or accomplishments in a dynamic way. Let's start by heading over to Common Ninja, an easy-to-use platform where you can create all sorts of widgets and add-ons for your website. Once you're on their dashboard, look for an option to create a new widget. You're going to want to click on Create. This is where the magic begins, as you'll be starting a new project to customize and enhance your website. Next, in the search bar, type in Animated Number. This will bring up the options related to animated number counters. Your goal here is to look for and select Create Animated Number Counter. This tool is specifically designed to help you present important numbers in a visually attractive format. What makes an animated number counter so appealing is its ability to animate numbers as they increase or decrease, adding a touch of sophistication and engagement to your site. This feature is great for showcasing statistics, milestones, or any numerical data that you want to highlight. Once you've chosen this option, proceed to customize it to fit your brand's style and message. Adjust the color scheme, font, size, and any other elements to ensure it aligns with the overall look and feel of your website. Think about what numbers you want to highlight and why they are important to your audience. After you've tailored the widget to your liking, make sure to click on Save Changes. This step is crucial as it secures all the adjustments you've made so far. There's nothing worse than losing progress because you forgot to save your work. Next, you need to bring that widget over to your site. First, click on Copy Code. This action will grab all the necessary data you need to embed the counter on your Wix site. Now head over to your Wix website editor where you'll insert this code. Within the editor, locate the Add Elements option. This menu is your gateway to adding new functionalities to your site. In this section, you'll want to choose Embed Code. This will provide you with a few different ways to input external code, including HTML. Go ahead and click Embed HTML. A new window or section will open up, allowing you to enter the HTML code. Click on Enter Code and paste in the snippet you got from Common Ninja. Lastly, ensure everything is set up correctly by clicking Update. After following these steps, your animated number counter should be live on your Wix website, ready to capture the attention of every visitor with its dynamic display. By integrating this engaging feature, you're enhancing the way information is presented on your site, making it not only informative but also visually captivating. Feel free to explore other custom Ninja features or additional Wix editor functionalities to keep refining your website.